We're unboxing the latest subscription box service from the Women's Collective Box. This company was started by Rochelle White-Harris, and it is meant to be a subscription to help highlight women-owned businesses and to highlight entrepreneurship. Most of the box that I received is focused on beauty and style products, and I can't wait to share it with you. So this is the spring box from 2020. The boxes come quarterly. They're about $50 a season, and it's about $200 worth of products. So let's take a look. The box comes in this beautiful packaging, as you can see. Really working with design is one of the main features of the box, and this is how it delivered, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm opening it up and getting into the goodies. First up, let's see if I can kind of show you all of the goodies in the box here. We've got 5 things inside. We've got these great Made by Mayberry ceramic earrings. This company is out of Farmington, Utah. So these are beautiful ceramic earrings. She's also an Etsy seller, and they're lightweight, but they have a ton of style. They're not going to drag down on your earlobes. Absolutely love them and love the style of them. Looking super chic already. Next up, we'll stick with some more style products. This very fun coin purse. It's got a keychain on it and a tassel, and this is from Lark and Ives. It's got little card cases inside there, so you could just put the cash that you need to get in and out of stores quickly. Love this. Even though we're staying in, we still have to run out to get groceries every now and then. And then we've got this great scented empowered candle. Now this is made in Oklahoma, and it was made just for the Women's Collective box. It smells like fig. Absolutely yummy and delicious, and it's fig, brown sugar, and sweet amber. Made exclusively for the Women's Collective box. That is super fun. Next up, we've got a planner from HADRON and EPOCH. This is one of those planners with a delicious thick paper. It makes you just want to write things down and get organized. Love the stock on the outside, and then it's got rose gold accents inside. So there's 2. So absolutely beautiful, great for setting goals, staying organized. Love it. And then the last item is this beauty product from Nash Jones, and this is a exfoliating mask. It is, you can see it. Give you a little look at the product. Shake that up a little bit. It's a kelp clay mask, and this is meant to exfoliate, deep clean pores, and nourish skin. It's for normal skin, so you're going to add a teaspoon of the dry powder with 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm water, and I'm going to be testing this out with my girls tonight. So fun beauty products, stuff to get organized, style products as well. As you can see, well worth the $50. And I also feel great knowing that I'm supporting other female entrepreneurs with the Women's Collective box. Head over to their site, Women's Collective Box, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the future Momtrends videos.